Okay, so the best way to do it is obviously with the helper. You position the guitar where you want it to be, in whatever angle you want it to be. You're going to take the first mount from the heel, from the bottom, and position it on the guitar where you want it to be. And once you decide where you want the guitar to hang and at what angle you want it to be, you can take the guitar off and then just mark the first 3 holes to mount the first hook. Once you mark them, you can use the with the anchors that are both for drywall and for studs, so you don't have to worry if there's a stud behind or not. It's going to work either way, and it comes with screws as well. You will tighten the anchors all the way in. Now we got our first grip installed. We can lay the butt of the guitar on the strap button on the bottom, and then we can mark the second location for the next hook. Let's give it another angle level down. Once when we decide on the position, we can take it off. Mark the holes. As you can tell on this one, I hit a stud, but the anchors are really built for that, and it's still going to go through and you can put them in. And now we can screw in the second hook, second grip. And that's all there is to it. The only thing left is to just take the guitar, hang it by the strap buttons, and you have a perfectly nice display. You can barely see the hooks while you're